In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a manual collection in Shopify. This is a great way to organize your products exactly the way you want and maintain full control over what appears in each collection. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, look to the left panel, where you'll see various options for managing your online store. Click on Products to expand the menu. Once you're in the Products section, you'll notice several subcategories, and among them is Collections. Click on Collections, which is where all your product collections are organized. Now that you're in the Collections area, you'll see an option to Add Collection at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on this button. A new page will open, offering you different types of collections to create. What we want to focus on today is setting up a manual collection. So select the manual collection type. This choice is crucial, as the manual collection type gives you the flexibility to handpick the products you wish to include, rather than relying on automation. Once you choose the manual collection type, you'll find yourself in the collection creation page where you can start building your collection. Here, you can set a title for your collection and add a description, which not only helps you keep track of your collections, but also provides information to your customers. The manual type means that you'll need to add products individually, which might seem like extra work, but it also allows you to curate your collection with precision. You'll notice an option to browse your existing products and add them to this collection. Go through your product inventory and select the ones that you want to be part of your new collection. This is the fun part. You get to decide which products fit well together, perhaps based on a theme, a specific sale, or even a seasonal offer. Whatever your strategy, you have the control and flexibility to change your selections whenever you want. After you've added the products, scroll through and review your selections to make sure they meet your initial plan for this collection. It's all set from this point. Your manual collection will now appear in your Shopify store, organized just the way you want it. And that's all it takes to create a manual collection in Shopify. This approach not only provides strong customization options, but also gives you the advantage of presenting your products in the most intentional and strategic manner. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in setting up beautiful, curated collections for your store.